In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a transparent PNG in Adobe Express. Whether you're looking to enhance your graphics projects, create a sleek logo, or design eye-catching elements without any distracting backgrounds, mastering this process is absolutely essential. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open Adobe Express on your device. Once you're in, go ahead and open your existing design, or if you're starting fresh, create a new design. Adobe Express offers a variety of templates to choose from, or you can design from scratch, whatever suits your creative needs best. Now, what we're aiming for is a design with a transparent background. This way, you can use your image seamlessly across different platforms and projects without any unwanted edges or boxy backgrounds. To achieve this, we need to make sure that your background is set to be transparent, what Adobe Express calls no fill. In the interface, search for the option labeled Background Color or simply Background. When you find it, you'll notice the option for Fill settings. You should select No Fill, which is typically represented by an icon of a square with a diagonal line running through it. This setting is crucial as it ensures that the backdrops are non-existent, making your design truly transparent against different backgrounds once exported. For those working with images and desire for only the subject to be visible without any existing backdrop, Adobe Express has another fantastic tool: Remove Background. By utilizing this feature, you can effortlessly eliminate any backdrop from your image, leaving just the subject. This is particularly useful for creating clean and versatile elements that you can overlay on any design or medium. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to download it. Find the download button and give it a click. This will bring up a selection of download options. Here is where we make sure everything is set correctly for a transparent PNG. In the download options, you will need to select your file type as PNG. If you're prompted about the background, ensure that transparent is chosen. By following these settings, you'll download your file with no visible background. Exactly what you're looking for: a transparent PNG. Simply save your newly exported file to your computer, and you'll have a versatile, transparent PNG that's ready to use. You can now layer this image over other content, whether it's for digital creations, presentations, or any other project where a clean, professional look is desired. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps in Adobe Express, you've created a transparent PNG. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Now, go ahead and experiment with your designs. There's no limit to what you can create. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy designing.